Honor 500 versus Poco F8 Ultra. Starting with the display, Poco F8 Ultra takes the lead with a larger 6.9-inch AMOLED screen featuring Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 3500 nits, offering vibrant colors and immersive viewing. Honor 500 counters with a slightly smaller 6.55-inch AMOLED display but boasts a higher peak brightness of 5000 nits and a 3800 Hz PWM, which means better visibility even under direct sunlight and less flicker for eye comfort. Both have 120 Hz refresh rates, but Honor's superior brightness and eye comfort tech make it ideal for outdoor use and prolonged viewing. Under the hood, Poco F8 Ultra dominates with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, delivering blazing performance with its octa-core CPU featuring two powerful 4.6 GHz cores. Honor 500's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip is solid but built on 4nm and clocks lower speeds. The Poco's Adreno 840 GPU also promises better graphics performance, making it the clear choice for gamers and power users craving top-tier speed and efficiency. When it comes to special features, Honor 500 shines with its dual-ring design, 300 Hz touch sampling rate, and two Rhineland Eye Comfort Display 2.0, perfect for gamers and heavy screen users. Poco F8 Ultra impresses with its HyperOS 3 on Android 16, Bose-tuned stereo speakers, and 50-watt wireless charging, combining smooth software experience, premium sound, and fast wireless power. Both bring unique perks, but Poco's audio and charging features edge it forward for multimedia lovers. In cameras, Honor 500 boasts an eye-popping 200MP main sensor with OIS and PDAF, ideal for ultra-detailed photos, especially in daylight. Poco F8 Ultra counters with a versatile triple-camera setup, including a 50MP wide lens and a 50MP periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom plus OIS. While Honor's sheer megapixels are impressive, Poco's zoom and multiple focal lengths offer more creative flexibility and professional-grade photography. Honor 500's AI-enhanced low-light photography and night mode deliver bright, clear shots in challenging conditions, making it perfect for night owls. Poco F8 Ultra offers Pro Mode, motion tracking focus, and periscope telephoto capabilities, giving photographers more control and dynamic shooting options. For those who want versatility and zoom power, Poco's camera features stand out. Battery-wise, Honor 500 packs a massive 8000 mAh cell, promising extended usage without worry, ideal for heavy users or travelers. Poco F8 Ultra's 6500 mAh battery is smaller, but still ample, likely benefiting from more efficient hardware. If battery life is your top priority, Honor's huge capacity is a game-changer. Both phones sport premium glass fronts and aluminum frames, ensuring a sleek and durable design. Nothing much separates them here in terms of build quality. In durability, Honor 500 slightly edges ahead with IP68 IP69K certification, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Poco F8 Ultra also offers IP68 water and dust resistance, but without the high-pressure rating. For rugged users, Honor provides extra peace of mind. Memory options are similar, with both offering up to 512GB storage and 16GB RAM variants. Poco even offers a 1TB storage option, catering to power users who need massive space for files, games, and apps. Price-wise, Poco F8 Ultra starts slightly lower at around $800 plus, while Honor 500 is priced over $850. Considering Poco's newer chipset and larger display, it might offer better bang for your buck.